Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GODOX AK-R1 Accessory Kit for round flash head. This is the box that it comes in. Here's an image of the flash head over here. We have some technical specification, not here, and we don't have a lot of specification mentioned here, so I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, over here it's written included items: dome diffuser, foaming reflector, bounce guard, honeycomb, diffuser plate, snoot, color filter and portable bag. So this is of course the portable bag this comes in. It's a very well protected portable bag. A solid portable bag as well. And there you go, there are a lot of components here. There's a QC pass from GODOX, should lose this. And we have these elements over here. So these are basically your color filters. For these you attach to the four-wing reflector when you want to use them. So the idea is that you attach it over here, insert it over here. Where do you insert it from? Yeah, so you insert it over here and put it on top to use it. So these are your color filters, and this is basically the four-wing reflector, and which also comes with this honeycomb design on top, as you can see. This is your diffuser plate. So the diffuser plate attaches magnetically to the honeycomb four-wing reflector like so. And this is the dome diffuser. Finally, we have a bounce guard. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the GODOX AK-R1 Accessory Kit for round flash head. Thank you for watching.